How to delete a photo from a Facebook album. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, tap on Photos as shown. Here, you can view all your photos and albums on Facebook. Now, go to Albums. Open any album from here. Then, open a photo from the album. If you want to delete this photo, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Delete Photo. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have successfully deleted the photo from this album. You can repeat the same steps to delete the other from your albums. Following these steps, you can easily delete a photo from a Facebook album.